everybody, Colleen Rogers here from Palm Harbor Homes, standing in our brand new, stunning vintage farmhouse. And I'm going to take you around and show you some of the great features in this house, but today it's not just going to be me. I'm honored to be standing here with Charlie Hill. He's our Vice President of Sales here at the plant, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about this house, what makes it so special, and some of the other options that are available. So first of all, Charlie, thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. Would you tell us a little bit about, first of all, what size this house is and some of the options that it gives people?
Sure, absolutely. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,984 square feet. The unique aspect of this is in our design applications, you can build this home as a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, a 5-bedroom, a 2-bath, or a 3-bath, and you can even flex this home. Flex room meaning you can add a media room, you can add a study, you can add a library, you can add a game room, you can add a family room. It's really up to the customers to what they need, want, and how much they want to invest.
So basically today, if you like this house, but your needs are a little bit different, come visit us at a Palm Harbor Factory Model Center, because it sounds like we can make one that's going to fit your needs. Now, as you went into creating this house and as we walk through it, what are some of the design applications that people should pay attention to that make this house unique and special?
First and foremost, the design aspects of this, we're taking into consideration modern applications and rusticating them, or rustic applications and modernizing. In other words, it was trying to blend the best of both worlds to come up with that vintage farmhouse aspect. A couple of things that come to mind is if you step back and you look at this electric fireplace, this is a very modern application, but we've rusticated this with an open shelf mantle. It's real hand-scraped wood. It's also braced off with industrial piping. You can look directly above me, and what you will see is a true tray ceiling. True tray ceiling is a very modern approach, but yet we've come back with hand-scraped real wood beams and then laid it right into the middle of that tray. Again, blending the best of both worlds, if you will.
And you've done a great job. But you mentioned the ceilings, and I'm pretty tall, and so are you. How tall are these ceilings, as a matter of fact?
Well, we're using 8.5-foot flat ceilings throughout this entire home, but this tray actually takes it up to a 9-foot ceiling in this living room.
Fantastic.
Absolutely amazing. Stunning.
Well, I love this room, but I can't wait to show you the kitchen. So Charlie, come show us some great things in this kitchen.
Let's go. And the first thing would be the 42-inch overhead cabinets. Notice that they're open box at the top, so they allow you to display things freely and openly. Secondly, you can look at the deep farm sink over here with a tapered apron across the front, and notice the arch on the front of the farm sink, how it blends with the arch on the window above it. You can come over and look at the pull-down faucet that's spring-loaded, and note the finish on that faucet.
I like it.
It's midnight chrome, and that midnight chrome is actually the same color that we use on all of the cabinet hardware. Again, everything links together, everything works together. You can move from that and look over toward the range. And behind that beautiful glass range hood is a mosaic tile application. Once again, what do you have? Modern with glass and then mosaic tile.
It's beautiful.
Rusticated
Just beautiful.
You can look at the cabinetry applications and see both the shaker cabinet door, and the shaker cabinet door is a gray in color, which is very modern in today's age. But if you look, you'll also see the beaded panel inlay that rusticates that cabinet. And if you look across the front of the island application, you'll see a gorgeous metal accent that's surrounded with hand-scraped wood trim. And you look back at the buffet that's built into this home. This buffet is standard, and what do you see? Again, a combination of metal accents, hand-scraped wood, open shelving application that blends and works with the mantle that we just looked at over the fireplace, with the industrial braces across and underneath each one of them. And guess what? The mosaic tile application that blends and matches with what's behind that range hood. Truly spectacular. Again, everything works together. Everything is like a link in a chain.
And I think I just heard you say this is all standard in this house. Did I catch that?
This is a packaged home. Everything
Awesome.
that you see in this house is absolutely standard. No one has to pay exorbitant auction prices. No one. In fact, we have discounts on this home coming out of the factory of $17,704, coming right out of the factory direct to the customer. That's automatic equity. That's an instant savings. You take the unique look and aspect of this house, and you take the package concept of this house, and you have the next generation in innovation and value. And we've already talked about the flexibility in the 3, 4, and 5 bedroom versions.
Well, it's all fantastic. So let's go take a quick look at that dining room and then head on into that master bedroom and bathroom and show them the great things you've got in there.
Sounds like a great idea. I think the first thing that you'll notice is the use of a metal accented chair rail, and that chair rail is surrounded once again by hand scraped wood. And looking over toward the double window application, you'll see the same thing with a wood cornice box that separates the double windows from the transom windows. And again, the entire idea there is to lift from floor to ceiling and really open this room up and give it the drama that it deserves.
It's light, bright, and beautiful. So Charlie, as much as I love this bright, beautiful dining room, can we go show them that gorgeous master bedroom and bathroom now?
Absolutely.
I have to tell you, Charlie, this design is the best I've seen in a long time.
This master suite has it all. I think the first thing that you'll notice is actually the size of this room. It's almost 15 by 18. Gives you plenty of room for a king-size bed and even a sitting area off to the side.
I love
Plenty
it.
of room for your furniture placement as well. You look over and you'll see double window applications and the real wood cornice boards above the top. A 6-foot transom window that blends along with the transom windows that we saw in the living area.
Love
And
it.
on each side of that transom window, you're going to see his and her reading lights, sconce lights. And note the shape of the lights.
Same as the rest of the house.
Exactly. Same as the rest of the house. And then you pick up as well on the wood accents on the left and right side with the paint. And as you move into the master bath, you're going to see yet again something else that's a modern
Barn
rusticating
door.
feel. It's that massive barn door application.
I love it. It's fantastic. And I also love that we get to go look at the master bathroom now.
Let's do it now. Standing in this master bath, you can see immediately that the layout is unlike anything else that's out there. The first thing is when you walk into the door, you'll see this metal accented area for towels and robes, strategically placed, easy to get to. It gives a nice flavor to this room, but it also has a very practical application. And if you turn and you look behind me, you're going to see these beautiful backlit mirrors.
I've been looking at them all day. I've been looking at them all day.
And it shows, I might add. And then you look underneath, you see the lavs with a drawer bank in between the lavs, the open shelves underneath, and the tower linen cabinet here. Plenty of storage space, plenty of room and a way to organize your master bath.
That's great.
And looking back over to your left, you see a 6-foot hand-laid ceramic tile shower application with the open glass pass-through, the rainforest shower head done in the midnight chrome finish, as well as the handheld shower application. And both of those are plumbed separately. You can use either or both at the same time.
Wow.
And you move back into this area, and what do you see? Yet more mirror applications.
I love this vanity. The tile is phenomenal, that backsplash. I love the transom window above it with that same sconce lighting that we saw in the master that's brought in here and carried throughout. Comes with its own full-length mirror. What woman couldn't love that? And then, of course, most importantly, we have the separate water closet, which is essential, as are the double sinks for every happily married couple.
Plenty of privacy. Good.
Now, I love this feature about it. We have a direct access from the master bath and bedroom into the laundry room. Let's take a look at it now.
Let's do it. You know, we've designed this laundry room to have a passage off into the master bath so that people can come in, and if they need a place to clean up after working out in the yard, doing their lawn work, whatever it may be, they can have immediate access to do so. And if they want privacy, simply close the door and lock it. It's that simple. And I noticed that you referred to this as a laundry room, not a utility room. It's a laundry room for a reason. It is laid out to be functional. To everything you need to take place, everything you need to do while you're doing your laundry, you can do it all right here. Starting with a folding table, you can take time to fold everything right here instead of out on the sofa in the middle of the living room. We've got a beaded panel application over here with a backpack rack and a coat rack strategically placed for the little ones when they come in and have a place to put their things so it stays organized. And we have the same thing back over here on this laundry bench. Place to sit down, kick off your boots, slide them under, hang up your coats. And by the way, you've got a little more storage across the top for a little more organization in this large laundry room.
Just like the rest of this house, this room has a place for everything and everything in its place. An organizer's dream.
Exactly.
Plus, it connects to that fantastic kitchen.
Everything is positioned exactly where it needs to be.
Well, if you like this house and everything about this house, you need to go to www.palmharbor.com, where you can see the floor plan, you can see the variations that we've talked about, and you can find a Palm Harbor retailer near you. So please check us out at www.palmharbor.com and look for the Vintage Farmhouse.
Thank you.